Student of 12th, pay attention. Today I will explain problem of relation, function and also invertible function. First, see the problem of relation. Relation R is in the set of defined A 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14 is a natural number defined as R is equal to xy and relation is 3x minus y is 0. Determine the type of relation. Note down the problem. And the solution is first for reflexive relation. Set A is defined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And relation R is equal to 3x minus y is 0. Note down this one. First value, if 3 into 1 minus 3, then the result is 0, where x is 1 and y is 3. Note down this one. Next result, 3 into 2 minus 6 is 0. Here the value of x is 2 and y is 6. Note down this one. Next one, x is 3 and y is 9 and the answer is 0. Then x is 3, y is 9. Do you know why I am taking the value 1 and 3, 2 and 6, 3 and 9? Substitute only these values from this set at the place of x and y when the result is 0. So here when we are substituting 1 and 3, then the result is 0. 2 and 6, then the result is 0. 3 and 9, then the result is 0. Note down this one. Next one, and your domain is order pair. Define the order pair 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9. This is the order pair. And the next one, 3 into 4 minus 12 is 0. Here the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 12. And the next one, if substituting the value of x is 5, then the value of y must be 15. Then the answer is 0. And 15 is not present in set A. That's why you have an only order pair up to 4 and 12. Only these values represent the relation when the result is 0. And in these order pair, for reflexive, we know that A and A belongs to relation, means domain and range are same for reflexive relation, and we don't have any order pair where the domain and range are same. Therefore, relation is not a reflexive. Therefore, relation is not a reflexive. not belongs to relation. Know any ordered pair 1 3, 2 6, 3 9 and 4 12 at the write down at the place of AA. Noted? And the next one, for symmetry. For symmetric relation, 1 and 3, for every 1 and 3 belongs to relation in given ordered pair. Similarly, 2 6 also same relation, 3 9 and 4 12 belongs to relation. It is belongs to relation and it is also belongs to relation. Note down this one. And what is the property of symmetry? The property of symmetry, AB, for every AB belongs to relation, their edges BA must be belongs to same relation. When the domain and range replace their places, then the relation must be same. But when in this order pair, if we have to change the place of domain and range, then the result is not a zero. Hence, symmetry is also failed. Relation is failed as per this order pair. And the last one, third, transitive relation. Transitive relation. In transitive relation, for every AB belongs to relation, their edges BC also belongs to same relation. Therefore, AC must be belong same relation. Note on this one. In this order pair, for every 1 3 belongs to relation and 3 9 also belongs to relation, but 1 and 9 does not belongs to relation. Hence the test of transitive is failed. Therefore, it is also not a transitive relation. Note down this one. Since relation is not satisfied the property of reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Hence, it is not a equivalence relation. Note down this one. Next, problem number 2. Show that f such that R tending to R is defined y is equal to 4x plus 3 is 1, 1 and 2 function. Stated it is also invertible function. Third, if the function is invertible, if the function is invertible, then find the value of f inverse. Note down this one, note the problem. Solution. Note down the problem. First one. For 1, 1 and 2. Let fx is 4x plus 3, x1 is 1, then the value of x1 is 4 into 1 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3, 7. x2 is 2, then find the value of fx2, 4 into 2 plus 3, 4 to the 8 and 3, 11. Note down this. Since x1 does not equal to x, there exists f of fx1 also does not f of xx2. Hence, function is 1, 1. Note down this one. Next, for the property of 4x plus 3, prove that onto function y is equal to 4x plus 3 let x is equal to 1 belongs to real number, then the value of y 4 into 1 plus 3, that is 7. X is 0, y is equal to belongs to real number, 4 into 0 plus 3 is 3. Note down this one. For every value of x belongs to real number, y must be real. Next, change the subject. Y is equal to 4x plus 3. Change the subject. 4x is y minus 3. X is y minus 3 by 4. Here, y is 3 belongs to real number, then x is equal to 0 also belongs to real number. Y is 4 then x belongs to real number, then the value of x is also 4 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4 also belongs to real number. Note down this. For every x belongs to y belongs to real number, x must be real. Hence, function is onto. Therefore, function is 1, 1, onto, and it is proved. 1, 1 onto function is also known as bijective function. 1, 1 onto function is also known as bijective function. Next, prove that the function is invertible. Next, prove that the function is invertible. Y is fx, then x is f inverse y is known as invertible function. Already I explained this. Solution. We know that every 1, 1 and 2 function is also invertible function. Therefore, function is invertible. Therefore, function is invertible. Next, find the value of f inverse. Find the value of f inverse. Find f inverse. Y is equal to 4x plus 3. Y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to x. F inverse is equal to x. And the result of this f inverse is, at the place of x, y minus 3 by 4. This is the result of f inverse. Note down this one. Revise all these statements and problems. Thank you.